Hello kids, let's learn about root vegetables name. I am potato. Potato. I am beetroot. Beetroot. I am turnip. Turnip. I am parsnips. Parsnips. I am carrot. Carrot. I am jicama. Jicama. I am elephant yam. Elephant yam. I am yucca. Yucca. I am radish. Radish. I am onion. Onion. I am sweet potato. Sweet potato. I am turmeric. Turmeric. I am kohlrabi. Kohlrabi. I am water chestnut. Water chestnut. I am galangal. Galangal. I am black salsify. Black salsify. I am ginger. Ginger. I am garlic. Garlic. I am lotus root. Lotus root. I am celery root. Celery root. I am burdock root. Burdock root. I am taro. Taro. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye kids.